Oh, that's like vented. So there's the outside chimney. Let's see. Do I feel safe walking on any of this? No. Let's walk where we think there's a wall. The fucking alarm bell? In case somebody breaks in here, they can ring the bell. Vented, screened. But thanks for letting the bugs in. So what's back here? Cool. What is that? Can light for the parlor. Alright, so this goes over the porch for sure. This is the garage. Just exactly 0 of this to support my weight. You can see it's vented above the garage over there with holes and light. Okay. This is vented wide open too. Cool. What is this? Jason said this was blown in rock wool, but not so sure. Also completely uneven and also not enough. Okay, so we got one of these things. So we got this going down to the floor. What is this pipe? Something interesting. That goes to maybe the guest bath fan? Wait, I don't know. That's like, yeah, that's the guest bathroom that it's going to. Alright, so I'm gonna say this is definitely supporting the roof. Like, for sure. Alright, let's go exploring here. Interesting in the vast ocean. So all the air is leaking out of the can lights. Still electrical box there. How the F am I ever going to reconnect that? What is this little baby? Held up with electrical wire? What is that? Where are we? In the middle of the house. This is like, oh, this is just to the left of the stove. This is for the little kitchenette area. I don't think we're really doing anything over there, but I don't want to come back up here again. So plot thickens. What is this stuff? Another big hole over there. Cool. Oh, we got some old pink insulation, I think, over here. good old... Not sure what kind of wire this is. Definitely some shit living in here. This is like old insulation or additional. Just left that laying around there. Some kind of cord. Electrical. We'll go see. Got the chimney here. Okay, this is the living room, so this is above the master bedroom here. So we got this ridge line coming into the corner of the house. Got these two posts here that run along, I think, the bathroom wall. So let's say the hallway ends here. This is a hallway right here. So this post ends at the hallway for the roof support. And then there's point loads above the bathroom wall because it jukes. So this explains the juke into the master bedroom. So this is right here, and then it does not continue straight. It moves the point load onto that wall. Cool. There's the big attic fan in the hallway that all it does is it goes into the fucking roof. Good job. Or in here. Doesn't even go out of the house. Can light, can light, can light. A bunch of holes in the roof. This is the bath. Don't know what the F this is. What in the hell? Antenna, maybe? Maybe it's an antenna. We're not sure. I'm not touching it though. And then we got pipes over here. Electrical just, laying around. Not a lot of spider webs though. Certainly would use some joist hangers up here, maybe. Hurricane strips, perhaps. And alright, that's all she wrote. Oh, that's missing a bunch of insulation there. Not sure what's going on. Alright. And then we're on our way back. So, yeah, my guess is it's definitely currently load bearing. Oh, speaking of, yeah, here's where the floor trusses just cross, so it's the same setup as the basement. If I can take a look, if I dare look under this board. Yep, we can see I'm crossing right here. It's like what, 1 foot? Not even overlap? Okay.